G'day lovelies, welcome back. Alright, who is up for a simple rice pudding? I know I am. Okay, I'll write the recipe below as always. First thing we want to do is preheat our ovens to 150 degrees Celsius. We now need to get a 1 litre oven proof dish. Now if you don't know what size your dishes are, you can just grab your 1 cup measurement and just keep tipping water in them until you can work it out. So 1 litre equals 4 cups. So my little pie dish is exactly 4 cups. Once you've found your oven proof dish, you want to get a little bit of butter or margarine and cover the whole dish in it. You don't want it thick, you want it nice and thin. Alright, our oven's heating up, our dish is ready to go. We need 1/4 cup of short grain rice. So I'm using jasmine rice today because that's what I've got. We need 1 2/3 cup of milk, 1.5 tablespoons of caster sugar, 3/4 cup of cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, roughly 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 2 tablespoons of any dried fruit you want, and that is absolutely optional. Alright, first up, grab a jug or a bowl and put the 1 2/3 cup of milk in there. Then add the 1/4 cup of short grain rice, 1.5 tablespoons of caster sugar, 3/4 cup of cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence if you don't have extract. Alright, mix them all through really well. Now I'm going to put my dish on a tray. Once we've given our mixture a good mix, pour it into our oven dish. As you get down to the rice, just keep try and get it all the way around and all over. Now optional is 2 tablespoons of sultanas, but I love sultanas, so I'm just going to chuck a heap in. Alright, so I'll probably put about 4 tablespoons in there because I'm an animal. Then we want to sprinkle some nutmeg over the top. If you don't like nutmeg, you could probably do cinnamon, but oh, come on now. I love nutmeg. Never used to as a kid. So as little or as much as you like. As soon as our oven is up to temperature, bang her in there. It's as simple as that. 1 hour and 40 minutes later in my plain electric oven, and mate, it smells wicked in here. Oh yeah, baby. This is one of those things that are perfect to make in winter. It heats up the kitchen, you got that smell through the house for a good hour. To check to see if it's ready, you just pull a little bit of the skin back with a knife from the edge and get your knife in there and wiggle it around a little bit. As soon as the rice has soaked up the liquid and you can move it around and there's no liquid there, pull it straight out. Leave it rest for a couple of minutes and then serve her up. Serves 2 to 3 on its own. If you serve it with fresh fruit, my favourite is banana, some ice cream, and then a big spoonful of that on top, it'll serve 4, and it's heaven in a bowl. Mate, you've got to give it a crack. Your family is going to love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Toodles.